Today I want to teach you how to register your first account on Berry crypto trading platform. To start with, click the first link in the description below and it will bring you to this page. Then click here at the corner and click register. It's going to bring you at this point. You have to put in your email, you choose your password, at least 6 characters, and the referral code. So the email here, you have to put your email. On the password, you choose your password. On the referral code, you need to make sure there is this code here. If it's not there, type it. You type this code and you click next. At this point, there will be a verification that will come. So you need to click here where it says send verification. When you click on it, the verification has been sent. The verification has been sent to your email address. You go and check your email. You go and check your email. When you put in your email verification code, for me there is this code. The verification code has come. There it is. You have to copy this code and paste it here and click register. At this point, you will be prompted to put in your withdraw password. Your withdraw password, it is when you want to withdraw and you have to initiate a password. So I will put mine here and I will confirm. Then here you have to click verification, send code. The code has been sent to the email again. I will have to go back to the email. There is another code that has come there. I'll copy this code and I will paste it on the verification and I will submit. The password, I'm prompted that it has to be strong, so I'm changing the password here. Upon registration, as you can see here, operation succeeded. I have now completed my registration on Berry trading platform. Thank you very much for watching this.